you know what? Fuck it. I ain't gotta say much. You know what I mean? When I come through, I do it big.
Of course.
When I come through.
So from very early on, I felt like, you know what, whatever I do, one day, I want to be more in charge of my business. I would become a mogul.
Independent women that make some noise. If you in school, make some noise. If you ain't dependent on no make some noise. Out here, dependent on no man, ladies, fuck goddamn thing. Get your own job, your own career, your own car, your own house. You know why? Because when they up, I'm gonna get out that house, get my own key, put it in my own car, and walk in my own.
And no shade. No shade. No shade. If you don't like me, that's fine. But, you know, watch your mouth.
You know a good big butt when you see one?
Yes.
You like a juicy butt?
Yes.
Do you? Have you seen this one? Have you seen that one? Don't fight it. Don't fight the feeling.
How can a guy get your attention if they see you? How can a guy holler at you?
I don't want to be hollered at right now, Andy. I just don't.
You just want to be by yourself?
Yeah. I'm just chilling right now. I'm celibate. I wanted to go a year without, you know, dating any man. I hate men.
I think people get me mistaken with like a real Barbie. They forget where I'm from. And if I have to revert back, I can, and I will.
I can't remember people unless I give them a nickname. This is my thing. Can I call you Vicky V?
Sure.
Fonzie?
Why are you changing everybody's name?
Hello, Tom Cruise.
Huh?
You should go by Stud. Let's hear you, Gumby.
What'd you call him?
G-Rip.
That's not his name.
I like you, Curly. Can I call you Bunny?
Yeah, you can call me Bunny.
Okay, chicken lady. Hi, Booby.
Booby.
Booby trap. Okay, top hat. Edgar Allan Poe. Big crazy Barb. Love it. Stick with it. Can I call you finger licking good?
Whoa, easy, Tigress.
Can I call you collard greens?
You can call me anything you want.
Hello, little ladybug. Hi, sexy. Hi, honey pie.
Doesn't call you Nicki Minaj, she calls you Dun Dun.
She gave you a nickname.
She gave me a nickname. The Dun Dun.
That's where she got it from.
And I want to thank you guys for all the plaques I've received so far for the pink print. I want to thank you for my double platinum plaque for Anaconda, and my platinum plaque for Only, and my other plaque for Truffle Butter, and all my other plaques that I've gotten. And I want to tell y'all to please do not give up on yourself no matter what. This is for everybody in this room. I want to tell you to please make it your business to follow your dreams, because one day you will wake up and look around and your dreams will be gone, and then you will be mad at somebody, but be mad at your goddamn self. Thank you.
That's the only way they respect you. Every time I put my foot down and stand up for myself, it's like, we've heard about Nicki Minaj. Nicki Minaj shut down a photo shoot. Oh my God, no one wants to work with Nicki Minaj. I'm glad you heard. Now, when I come to a photo shoot, let it be of quality. You know why? Because I put quality in what I do. So if I turn up to a photo shoot and you got a $50 clothes budget and some sliced pickles on board, you want to know what? No, I am going to leave. Is that wrong? For wanting more for myself, wanting people to treat me with respect? But you know what? Next time they know better. But had I accepted the pickle juice, I would be drinking pickle juice right now. When I am assertive, I'm a bitch. When a man is assertive, he's a boss.
Bossed up.
He bossed up.
Yeah, he bossed up.
No negative connotation behind bossed up, but lots of negative connotation behind being a bitch.
It's something deep-rooted in you. Something is bothering you inside. That's your insecurity bothering you. It's not Nicki Minaj.
Try again.
Fuck you, I would ride for you.